Fundraising is not begging for cash. It's enterprise sales, just a little faster. Same mechanics, same proven methods. Your product is a safe note or equity in your company. You are selling, investors are buying. This video helps you get that bread, even if you hate sales. Hi, my name is Bonny Morlak. I founded startups, had a happy exit, and became a global startup coach. During the financial crisis, one of my startups failed. I lost my house and I had to work for the man. I ended up in enterprise sales, selling software to telcos. Climbing the ranks to chief revenue officer, I learned how big companies buy and sell. And I realized something huge. Fundraising is just enterprise sales. So when I later raised capital for my next startup, I used the same approach, step by step, structured with clear customer qualification and deal flow. It worked like a charm. Today I help startups raise millions of dollars, and so far at a 100% success rate. Cross fingers. This video should help you a bit to do the same. Let's have a look at how to reach out the right way to get your first meeting, how to pitch like a pro to qualify investors and get real interest, and how to close fast and avoid wasting months on investors who will never write a check. Step 1. The high-level outreach. Here at the first contact, use a super high-level 10-slide deck. It's called the Kawasaki deck, like the motorbike. No more than 10 slides, just enough info to make them curious and sell the sizzle. The goal? Get the first meeting, not close a deal. Yes and no are great answers here. No saves time, yes gets you to a meeting. Step 2, the first meeting. You pitch the exact same slides, no changes. You fill in the gaps with clear, practiced storytelling. Be your charming self and always be authentically you. Don't walk in like you're asking for a favor. You are selling something of value. Investors need you more than you need them. They're starving for amazing startups. Your job is to cut through the noise and tell your story clearly, fast, without any confusion. Use this meeting to qualify the investor. It goes both ways. Ask really good questions and take notes. Learn as much as you can. Every question they ask gets written down. After the meeting, you create appendix slides to answer those questions. Next time that question comes up, you say, "Glad you asked," and casually go to slide 34. A beautiful, well-researched answer is already waiting. If the investor is a fit, sell the second meeting. When you walk away from the first meeting, send the 10-slide decks plus only the appendix slides that answer actual questions from the meeting. Do not give yourself too much rope here, you could hang yourself. Step 3, the second meeting. You present the same 10 slides again. Why? Because now senior decision makers might be in the room hearing this for the first time. Be ready with your brilliant appendix slides. Answer questions clearly and concisely. If you don't know the answer to a question, just say, "I'll get back to you." Never make stuff up. If they ask no hard questions, they're not interested. Smooth meetings feel great, but they rarely result in investment. Being grilled? That's great. Step 4, closing the deal. Once all questions have been asked, it's time to save yourself weeks, if not months. Ask this. Once these questions are answered to your satisfaction, will you be in a position to invest? If yes, ask them their usual check size and offer your safe note. If they're umming and eyeing, if they avoid answering, they are not investing. Move on. On a different note, is this a good moment for you to click the like button? To summarize, fundraising is a process. Your 10-slide deck gets the meeting, your storytelling keeps them engaged, your strategy closes the deal. Share this with a fellow founder. Subscribe and definitely feel free to ask me questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Don't get me wrong, doing these videos is a lot of fun, but it's also a lot of work, and you watching means the world. So I saved the best for last. Download my free fundraising guide from the link in the description. No strings attached. Happy to help. I see you in the next one.